Hey everybody, welcome to Larry's RC room. Here we are. We've got the Injora 2.2 silicone inserts for my creek creeper. You can see I've got one tire pulled off already. Got it pulled apart. I got the old insert out. Now, I'm running Canyon Trails, okay, from Traxxas. So the Canyon Trail 2.2s come on the truck. I don't have a problem with that because of the simple fact where I run, it's good tire. It grabs, it does good. So here's my problem. I bought these inserts off eBay. Right here. These inserts are 3D printed. And as you can see, they've got some problems. I do believe that when I bought them, they were for 2.2 tires and things. But as you can see, when I put them in, they didn't reconform to get back in there. They also actually had pushed my one bead off of the front of my wheel. So it's kind of one of those things. Now, here are the inserts that I'm working with now. I'll show you the difference. These are the Injoras. They are soft. They are conformative. Okay. They're not quite as wide as what these 3D printed ones are. Okay. You can kind of see the height difference there in them. These 3D printed ones are super daggone, man. Yeah, okay, what are you trying to do? You just don't even want to conform at all. Man, that thing is so hard. Look at that. Look at this. Yep, and watch this. Alright, you can definitely tell the difference right there. Anyway, stay with me. I'm going to get this thing all put together. Like I said, I got one broke down. These aren't the best wheels. These are Amazon specials. And I also am running some 9mm hex adapters here. But it's kind of one of those things too to where I might have to remove those. I'm having problems with my nuts not staying locked. Yeah, I ain't getting my nuts locked. Don't you? I've got this one mounted up with the Injora insert in it. This is my front right tire, and this come off my rear right side. Now this one is still running that 3D printed insert in it, which I'm going to change out anyway. But I want to show you the difference. When I push down on this Injora one, I can actually push down on it right there, okay? And then I push down on this one. My God, I'm going to break my finger trying to push that thing down. Oh, God. Yeah. Okay, so I like these. The sidewalls definitely do not give, but also they do not conform to anything, man. It makes this truck handle like dog. Alright, now here's the Injora sidewall. It's still got a good sidewall. It will not roll over so much. Okay? So, we'll see what it does on the actual trail. It's wanting to roll. It's pretty soft. It's got some side roll on it, as you can see. And if I go this side, it's got some side roll on it that way. But mainly it's just flaring out from the weight that I'm pushing down on it. So if I go this way with it on the side roll, see if I can do this camera angle. And there's the side flex right there. So yeah, it's got some side flex with the silicone inserts. But it's not near as much as what it would have with dual stage foams or with the standard foams. So yeah, this one here definitely has no side flex whatsoever. I could almost stand on that sucker. It would not collapse. These inserts are just really hard. Anyways, I'll get the rest of these three mounted up, broke down and all that stuff. And then maybe, just maybe, the rest of this video will be out on the trail during some creek creeping with my creek creeper TRX-4 High Trail. Chevrolet K10. There it sits. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That's so cool, man. I like it. Yes. We're gonna deal with this right here. Haha, did I freak you out by spinning around so fast? I meant to do that. I'm just ornery that way. So, we'll see you guys later. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll get some run video of this thing. But I wanted to show these Injora 2.2. Now, these are the soft. They are not the medium. These are the soft. The green are the soft and the 2.2s. So, we're out here at Wayne Hansard Park. We're going to give this high trail a test run with these Injora inserts, 2.2s, soft compounds, yes, in the canyon trails. Got this rock outcropping right here. We're going to give it a shot and see how it goes. Y'all, wish me luck and stay with us. Alright, so what I've done here on this high trail, put those Injora inserts on. These wheels, and I was running some 9mm hex drives underneath these wheels, and this thing just did not want to conform. Uh-oh, I guess I need to lock my disc, huh? Oh yeah, lock the disc and look at it climb. But I used some 12mm by 12mm extensions underneath this rig now, so it ought to be able to perform a lot better. Yes. Hot racings. I had to do some modifications to make them fit these Traxxas hubs, but all in all, I think it's going to work. Do believe so. Oh yeah, let's take a look here and see how these things are conforming. Oh, look at that. Yes. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Let's see what she does here. Throwing it over. It should be a whole lot more stable now for sure. Yes. It's kind of like just a test run for these Injora inserts under this high trail. Oh, with these 2.2s. Oh yeah. Oh, wrinkle it up. Oh yeah. Come around there. Picked up a little bit of grass on my front there, didn't it? See what this does here. Oh, conforming there. Conform it for me. Oh yeah. I'm going to try this as a little side hill demonstration and see how these Injora inserts hold up on a side hill. I'm going to do is climb up there. There we go. Now then, how are you going to hold for me, Injora inserts? Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Got a little bit of a wrinkle on that front right there. Kind of pushing inside. It's holding on. Pretty good. Pretty sweet. Little slip on the back end. We're going to see how this thing conforms, how these tires conform here to this rock right here. Oh yeah. Man, I tell you what, those 3D printed inserts, those tires would not even try to conform at all. Uh-oh. 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 What's going on side over here. Let's take a look. I'm binding up big time. Oh, looky there. I'm caught between a rock and a rock and a rock. Yeah, maybe she'll let go. Now will you let me go? Oh. Ooh. Come around this way maybe. Yeah, give it some bite. Some ready to bite. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. See how she climbs up this face here. Oh, not a problem one. Look at that. Go, creek keeper, go. Oh yes. Yeah. For those of you that haven't met my lovely wife over there she is. Decided she'd come out here with me. Of course, I had to go feed her some breakfast first. Yeah. Let's see what we got over through here. We got all kinds of obstacles. All kinds of fun. I'd have to back up and get reacquainted with this one. Oh. There you go, look at that. Look at that conforming tire right there. God, yes. That little tree back there tried to hold me back. Yeah. Oh yeah, go creek keeper, go baby. Might have to replace the servo. Yes, that's running the stock factory servo, and I figured it would have problems with those wheel wideners on it. And it is. Come over here so I don't do that. We're settled back in there. Yeah. Might be stuck in a spot there. I do believe I am quenched in there. Cinched in between the rocks, I do believe. Yes. See how it's conforming there. My goodness, I ripped my tire in half right there, it looks like. Hey, I had to give it a little bit of hand of God help there just to get it out of that bind, because I was going to either break something or something. Yes, tried to do a nose stand on me. Look good though, look at it go. Those Injora inserts are working. The wheel wideners are working. And it's a crawling. That's nice. That is so nice. Oh yeah. Right on down here. No, I don't think so. That's not the SCX6. The 6 would go. And I'm afraid that my high trail just ain't quite that big. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a fun little place right here. Quick test ground. I'm liking it. It's out here at Wayne Hansard Park, Morristown, Tennessee. Those Injora inserts are conforming nicely. Real nice. That's a soft compound under that truck. That truck's weighing in about 8 pounds, I guess, between 7.5 and 8 pounds. And those things are just right. They're just right for it. I can definitely tell you Injora's inserts are the way to go for me. I like the way they drive. I like the way they conform and the performance of them. It just helps everything about them, you know what I mean? So anyways, thank y'all for watching. I'm glad that you stuck it out to watch this run video. I got them mounted up last night, and today is Labor Day. And I just want to wish everybody a happy Labor Day. Stay safe, play healthy, and blessings from the Great Smoky Mountains in East Tennessee.